Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by picking a hosting plan that matches traffic and budget. Choose shared for low cost or WordPress optimized for convenience. Once chosen, register a domain or transfer one you own. Enabling Whois privacy protects your contact details. Next, create your Hostinger account and add a payment method. Make sure to enable two-step authentication for security. This gets you to the control panel fast, where you'll launch the site installer and start the blog deployment process without delay. Now you install WordPress via Hostinger's auto installer. Pick your domain, create a secure admin username and password, and confirm the admin email. Once done, select a lightweight theme to keep load times low, install essential plugins for SEO, caching, and backups. Make sure to set permalinks to a readable structure, add site title and time zone, and create core pages like About and Contact. Finally, organize your initial categories before publishing posts so your content has a clear structure. To finish, run speed tests and enable caching in Hostinger or via a plugin. Compress and serve optimized images to lower load times. Make sure HTTPS is active, install Hostinger SSL or Let's Encrypt, and configure automated backups so you can recover quickly. If you encounter errors, check server logs for 500 or database issues, temporarily disable plugins to isolate conflicts, and escalate to Hostinger support with error screenshots. This sequence secures your blog and keeps it performing after launch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.